हेलो बच्चों, क्वेश्चन बैंक जो सॉल्व करने स्टार्ट कर ली है तो उसमें देख रहे हैं हम सॉलिड स्टेट. Already we have completed 1 mark question. Today we are going to discuss the 2 marks question of this solid state topic. So in that, first question is, classify the following solids as molecular, ionic, metallic and covalent solids. So here they have given Pb, MgF2, SiO2, quartz. So just we have to just classify them into these types of the solids, and all these are the types of the crystalline solid. Now see, Pb, it is the metallic solid. Pb is the metallic solid. MgF2, it is the ionic solid. Next one is a SiO2, it is the molecular solid, and last one, that is the quartz, it is the covalent solid. So only that much answer is expected for this question. Second one, find the number of atoms in the FCC unit cell. So for that purpose, how to write and how much we have to write, that we will discuss. So for that one, firstly we have to draw the cube, or we can say that structure of unit cell for this FCC. So this is the cube. Here if we consider the particles present in the FCC unit cell, they are present at the corner and on the faces. So here we will write first point. What is that? The particles or atoms also we can say that, the particles present at the corners and faces in the FCC unit cell. So this is the first point. Second one, we have to complete the diagram. So see, 8 corners are there. So at the 8 corners, 8 particles or 8 atoms will be there. So total 6 faces are there. This is the first face. This is the second, third, fourth, back side and front side. So in this way we have completed 8 corners and 6 faces also. Now see here, if we consider at each corner whatever particle is present, that particle is shared total 8 unit cells. So what is that point? See, each particle which is present at the corner is shared by 8 unit cells. 8 unit cells. Next one, if we consider the particles which are present at the faces, each particle which is present at the face, it is shared by the 2 unit cells. So what is the next point? Each particle present at the faces is shared by 2 unit cells. So ऐसे करके हम यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, इसका जो आधा अधूरा आंसर है वो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स और एटम्स. सो नाउ सी हियर, नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे आगे क्या करना है देखो, each particle present at the corner is shared by the 8 unit cell, means 1/8 into 8 plus at the faces 2 unit cell, and how many particles are there? 6. So 1/2 into 6. So 8 ones are 8, 1 plus 2 3s are 6, 3. So in this way total number of atoms or particles present in the FCC unit cell, that is the 4. So that much answer is expected for this 2 mark question. Next one, explain with diagram the vacancy defect. Now see, if we consider that vacancy defect, here answer is written, but you should know which points we have to write, that I will tell you. See, firstly we have to draw the diagram. In that diagram, this square, or we can say that whatever we have drawn, that is the solid, and in that circles are nothing but the particles. Here there is a no particle, here also there is a no particle, means here we can say that because of missing of the particles, vacancy is created in the crystal lattice and this vacancy defect is developed. So we have to draw firstly this diagram. You have to denote that vacancy. Next one, we have to write that this defect arises due to the missing of the particles in the lattice structure. Now why this type of cases will happen means why these particles are missing. In that we can say that during the crystallization of the solid, particles are missing and they generate or they develop the vacancy. Second reason is that this vacancy defect also can be developed because of heating of the substances, and due to missing of the particles, what will happen, their mass will be decreased but their volume will remain same. As we know that density is equal to mass upon volume. Volume remains same. If we consider previously d1 m1 was there, volume remaining same after missing of the particle also. So here we can say that density is directly proportional to mass. So if mass decreases, density also decreases. And last point we have to write, due to missing of the particles, mass of the solid decreases, volume remains same and that's why its density also decreases. तो यहाँ पे हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया ये वाला क्वेश्चन. लास्ट के जो क्वेश्चन दो क्वेश्चन है उसमें है न्यूमेरिकल. तो लॉग यूज करके न्यूमेरिकल कैसे सॉल्व करना है, अगर ये आपको समझना है तो ये इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखो. So what is that numerical? Numerical is calculate the number of unit cell. यहाँ पे हमें find out क्या करना है, number of unit cells. तो ये हमें find out करना है. Next one, in 0.3 ग्राम, मतलब यहाँ पे हमें दिया है mass. Mass is equal to, it is denoted by symbol m and it is 0.3 gram. Next one, of species having density of 8.5 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो यहाँ पे हमें डेंसिटी भी दी है. डेंसिटी के लिए आप यूज कर सकते हो सिंबल रो और यू कैन यूज द सिंबल डी ऑल्सो. So as you means for which one you are habitual, based on that one you can use that symbol. It is 8.5 gram per centimeter cube. Next one, and unit cell age length which is denoted by symbol A and it is 3.25 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. So here that much material is given and we have to find out the number of unit cell. So firstly you should know that which formula we have to use. Here to calculate the number of unit cells we have to use the formula that is mass divided by rho into a cube. Rho is nothing but the density. So simply we are going to put here values. What is that? 0.3 divided by 8.5 into 3.25 into 10 raised to minus 8. Here we have to take cube. Next step, if we are shifting one decimal here also we are shifting. So 3 into 10 raised to 8, यहाँ पे देखो इसका कन्वर्जन क्या हो जाएगा, 10 raised to 8, 8 raised to power 3 is there, so 8 3s are 24, so its answer will be 10 raised to minus 24. Just I am shifting to up and that's why it will become 10 raised to plus 24. Instead of minus it will become plus, divided by 85 into 3.25 cube. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, लॉग यूज करके ये सॉल्व करेंगे. तो लॉग यूज करना है तो वी शुड नो दैट सम रूल्स. सो व्हाट आर दिस रूल्स? सी, here we are not changing this value, we are going to keep that 10 raised to 24 power as it is. Next part, 3 divided by 85 into 3.25 raised means it is cube of this one. So यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, देखो log of 3 minus क्या क्या करें, देखो log of 3 minus log of 85 plus log of 3.25, log of 3.25 plus log of 3.25 and 10 raised to 24 will remain same. तो ये वाला जो series है ये हमें calculate करना है. So firstly we will take the log of all these digits and just we are going to take this sum. Now see, 85 its characteristic will be 1, so 1 point plus 3.25, 3.25. So characteristic will be 0 and that I am writing here 3 times because 3.25 is of the cube is there, that's why we are taking 3 times. 85 का 0 के column में 3.25. See that decimal we have to consider for the characteristic, but when we want to see the log at that time we have to take that 32 का एक ग्रुप और 5 का एक ग्रुप. मतलब इसको कैसे देखेंगे, 32 के रो में 5 के column में. I have taken the log after that addition and now we have to take the log of 3, that is 0.4771, and from that we have to subtract this sum of this log and after that we are getting the answer, that is the bar 3.0120. So anti-log of bar 3.0120 into 10 raised to 23. If we consider its anti-log, in that also we have to see 0 1 के रो में 2 के कॉलम में, तो यहाँ पे इसका आंसर मिल जाएगा 1028. तो ऐसे करके पहला हमारा जो रूल है वो क्या है, तो आफ्टर फर्स्ट डिजिट वी हैव टू गिव द डेसिमल एंड इनटू 10 raised to -3 into 10 raised to 24 and in this way its answer will be 1.028 into 10 raised to 21 and this is the final answer for this numerical. Now we'll discuss the last numerical in which a compound crystallizes in BCC structure. What is the unit cell age length? यहाँ पे हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है वो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ, ठीक है. तो what is the age length? A हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. If diameter of its atom is 120, डायमीटर दिया है हमें वो क्या कितना है, तो 120 पिकोमीटर. तो इससे हम रेडियस तो निकाल सकते हैं, कैसे होगी, रेडियस इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड दैट्स व्हाई 120 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 दैट इज नथिंग बट दी 60 पिकोमीटर, दैट मच विल बी दी रेडियस. तो यहाँ पे ए और आर का हमें रिलेशन पता होना चाहिए फॉर BCC एंड इन दिस वे सिंपली वी कैन फाइंड आउट द एज लेंथ. तो क्या है वो रिलेशन, रिलेशन इज अगर हम कंसिडर करते BCC, फॉर दैट BCC R is equal to √3/4A. That is also can be written as 0.433A. Means here we have to use the relation, that is R is equal to 0.433A. यहाँ पे हमें find out करना है A. So what will the formula? A is equal to R divided by 0.433. How much it is the R? What is the value of R? Here we have calculated from the diameter and that is the 60 picometer divided by 0.433. तो यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट कर देते हैं हम, ये जो डेसिमल है वो शिफ्ट कर देते हैं राइट हैंड साइड को, तो क्या हो जाएगा 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 433 इंटू 10 raised to -3. अगर उसको और थोड़ा मॉडिफाई कर दे तो क्या हो जाएगा 60 इंटू 10 raised to 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 433. अभी हम यूज करेंगे लॉग. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप सिंपली यहाँ पे कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हो तो यू कैन, बट अगर लॉग यूज करना है तो हाउ टू यूज, सी लॉग ऑफ 60 माइनस लॉग ऑफ 433, that 10 raised to power will remain as it is. Now see, characteristic of 60 is 1. Here characteristic of 433 is 2. So इनका हमें करना है subtraction. So what is the log? 60 का 0 में और यहाँ पे 43 के रो में 3 के कॉलम में देखना है. If we subtract then its answer will be 12 minus 5, 7 minus 3 4, 7 minus 6 1 और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा बार 1. तो फाइनली हमें देखना है एंटी लॉग. किसका एंटी लॉग देखना है? बार 1.1417 इंटू 10 raised to 3. तो यहाँ पे फाइनली आ जाएगा 10 raised to -1 इंटू 10 raised to 3. एंटी लॉग वैल्यू फॉर दिस वन इज 1386. As per the rule, after first digit, this is the value of this age length. तो ऐसे करके लॉग यूज करके हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए 2 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस, थ्योरेटिकल एज वेल एज न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट. तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक या फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सीरीज ऑल्सो जानने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.